Hello everyone, my name is Kane Somerville and today I will be teaching you how to create a clipping mask. A clipping mask is essentially a function that allows you to place an image inside an object. For the example I'm going to use today, we are going to place an image inside of this text here. Alright, to get started I'm going to go ahead and delete this layer and we're going to start from the beginning. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your text. You can use any font you would like. For here I'm going to use the level up text because it's blocky and it's big so that you can see a lot of the image. Once you have your text selected, you want to go ahead and just click on the image and it'll create a layer for you. First I am going to clear all of the sample text and then I'm going to put my word in. So we're just going to use the word space. Now if you need to resize your image because it's too big, you can just press Ctrl T to enable free transform, and then if you click on the corner piece and drag, you can make the word smaller. Or you can make it bigger if you make it too small. Alright. Now once you have the word at the right size, or the size that you want it to fit the image, you can go ahead and you can go to the image that you have and you can open it up in Photoshop. I have mine already here. And all you have to do is click and hold and then drag the image over to the tab and you can drag it into the file that you're working on. Alright, once you have your image in your working project file, you can go ahead and resize it to whatever size you need it to be inside of your logo. I'm going to make it this size so that I can fit the middle of the image inside of the letters. Alright, once you have the size, you can go ahead and deselect the image and go down into the layers tab, and you want to right click the image layer. It's important to note that the image layer must be on top of the text for this to work. Once you do this, you want to go up to where it says create clipping mask, and once you're here you want to click this option. Now you can see the image was fit to the bounds of the text, and now it is essentially just a logo. Now once you do this, you can also add other effects to the text to make it pop out more, to make it look more pleasing. If you click on the text layer and then right click, you can see at the very top there is blending options. Clicking on this, there are a number of effects that you can apply to the text that can make it look better or to make it pop out more to the viewer. In this case, we are going to use the stroke effect so that the edges of the text are more defined. Once you find the gradient you like, you can just select it and click on it. Once you select the gradient you want to put on the text, there are also other effects under here that can mess around with the direction and other effects to make the gradient look different. The effect that I'm going to show you guys today more specifically is the angle of the gradient. By clicking on this lever and rotating it around the circle, you can actually change in which way the color of the gradient goes. Alright, so as you can see, whenever I rotate around this circle, the colors change directions, so the letters change in appearance. I'm going to find somewhere where I like the colors that appear on the letters. I think I actually like this a lot. It's purple, pink in the middle, and it's more yellow on the outsides. I actually think I'm going to stick with this gradient. So once you finish editing your gradient and you have your stroke complete, your logo is now finished. As you see, we took the image, we put it into the working file, and then we used the clipping mask to put it inside of the text. I hope this tutorial was helpful in how to create a logo or any sort of graphic that has an image inside of it. My name is Kane Somerville. Thank you for watching.